how to fold the back seats of your Volkswagen Golf wagon or hatchback. So you just have to go on the rear seats over here, find this lever, push it until you see this color red popping, and then you simply have to grab the backrest and fold it down. There's a similar latch on the other side, and the good news is that if you open the trunk and you're tall enough, you can actually do it from here. It's a bit harder, I will tell you this. But as you see now, you have a flat floor. When time comes to put them back, it's the same thing but in reverse. So no need to push this latch, okay? Simply bring it and make sure this red thing disappears. Once it clicks in place, it will mean that it's locked and it will not move around. Same thing on the other side. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.